Ka kenhun menteri ka bala syong jengalang menta ka sngi balang ka absan tere ujumang kalasim ya bon tili kirai ki bede bat ka jelam kine kirai ki long ban Kyntiew ya ka khajana na ka Kyiad sya ka phrabat khandai nak sisma kumbale lang kiwei ki jella bomarjan umentri rang ba ka jella ukunat ke sama ulong kan sa Pynkiew shu ya ka jingyo lum khajana sya ka absan klotingka ka sisnem na ka bala yo lupa lapen kalaru ya ka Meghalaya Secretariat Service Rules khandai spa nyokuar ha ka ba ya ki under secretary deputy secretary but joint secretary on thung da chief secretary omshu daulan kawai pat karai ba ka kenhun menteri kalarai kalong ba kala menjur ba ki lai pu angut kinong hikai balakot ya ki kendon balabu da ka All India Council for Technical Education bakinyo ya ka jingsiu kat kum ka kendon ka AICTE lapen kiru ya ka bha kerpang sya ka lai phau na sisma na ka absan na sisma ha ka Meghalaya Agriculture Engineering Medical Rules ha ka bayade ban Pynkiew kedan ne ka internal promotion ya kinong trai Halor kawa Omiam Hydro Electricity Project Stage 1 but Stage 2 ka Sorkar kalarai ban mapno ya ka jingsiu ka basilak tingka naman ka 10 megawatt ka boarding.
We have amended the Meghalaya Secretariat Service Rules 1992 with regards to the definition of the appointing authority. It's a very small amendment. Basically, we are proposing that earlier the governor of Meghalaya in respect to the post of Under Secretary and Deputy Secretary and Joint Secretary used to be appointed by under the governor's, by the governor. Since these posts are slightly not that senior post, so we have changed the appointing authority to the Chief Secretary. And this is being done basically in the interest of things moving faster, and therefore these being not that senior posts, the appointing authority will be the Chief Secretary. The government has also decided that there will be reclassification of category of brands for IMFL. So amendments to ad valorem, amendment to the MVAT on liquor, amendment to Rules 4410 of the Meghalaya Bonded Warehouse Rules, etc. So basically the point is that in the past few months we have seen that the rates have been changed in other states, especially neighboring states. So in interest of ensuring that we get more revenue, we have reclassified the different brands and also increased the price on some of them. It's a long list, but all it means is that alcohol will get slightly more expensive. But at the end of the day, because there has been a increase in the rates in the neighboring states also, we will also end up earning approximately 25 plus crores additional revenue through this decision that we have taken today. We have also decided that there will be implementation of the revised AICTE scale, which is the All India Council of Technical Education scale for faculty of Shillong Polytechnic and others on the transfer to the Directorate of Higher and Technical Education. This basically means that the AICTE pay scale is applicable to those who make certain qualifications, and there are about 32 in these different institutes who are qualified as per the description, and hence they are mandated to get the AICTE scale. So this is slightly higher than the state scale. So they will be, government and the cabinet today has taken decision that these 32 individuals who are faculty, who are qualified in terms of the AICTE guidelines, will now get the AICTE scale of pay. We have also proposed the amendment of the provisions to the Meghalaya Agriculture Engineering Medical Rules. So this is a very simple thing, that earlier there was 25% reservation in terms of the internal promotions, and the promotions would take place, not reservation, but the promotions would take place in terms of the internal people who are already working there. And now we're just increasing that from 25 to 30%. This is being done in lieu of the fact that most of the other states also, most of the other departments also in the service rules, the promotions, internal promotions, the amount that is saved is about 30%. So this instead of direct recruitment, the vacancies will be filled up by the promotions that are there. So earlier it was 25%, now it will be 30%, like is being done in most of the other departments. We have also decided that under the 50 megawatt Umyam stage 1 and 100 megawatt Umyam stage 2 hydroelectric power project in the Umyu river basin of East Khasi Hills, the Power Ministry and the NIPCO had requested that their initial amount, the fees amount that they have to give, the upfront payment, payment be waived off, and they had also requested that the free power that comes up to 12% from the state government, which has to be given to the state governments, should also be waived off. And they also asked for other number of projects, other waivers in other issues also. So we had a request even from the ministry, and that we will be that the waiver, that the upfront premium be waived off. And based on that, since it's a public sector undertaking, NIPCO is a public sector undertaking, we have agreed that the upfront payment will be waived, which amounts to approximately 1 lakh per megawatt. But we will not be able to waive the 12% of the free power that they should give to the state. So the 12% of free power will continue. So that was one important decision, because of which things were lying pending.